हेलो एंड नमस्ते एवरीवन। जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों के साथ प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं 30 डेज ऑफ 30 इयर्स योगा वर्कशॉप का वीडियोस लाने वाला हूँ। आज हमारा फर्स्ट वीडियो है, दैट इज़ योगा फॉर कंप्लीट बिगिनर्स। इस वीडियो में आप लोगों को कंप्लीट माइंड फोकस, बॉडी रिलैक्सेशंस, माउंटेन पोज, कोबरा पोज, अपवर्ड फेस, डाउनवर्ड फेस विथ हथा विन्यासा फ्लो योगा टेक्निक के साथ हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं। बिना किसी देरी के प्रारंभ करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लोगों को ध्यान मुद्रा लगा लेना है। अब ध्यान मुद्रा कैसे लगाना, फिंगर्स को जस्ट जॉइन करना है एंड देन स्ट्रेट योर स्पाइंस। देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन आवर ब्रीथ। ऑक्सीजन कैसे हमारे नॉस्ट्रिल्स के थ्रू हमारे बॉडी के इनसाइड में आ रही है और लंग्स के थ्रू पूरे बॉडी को ऑक्सीजन फ्लो करवा रही है, इन सारी चीज़ को डीपली ऑब्जर्व करना है। इससे हमारी माइंडफुलनेस और प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव होती है और हमारा माइंड एकदम शार्प फोकस्ड रह पाता है। सो कंटिन्यूसली इनहेल एंड एक्सेल विथ ऑब्जर्विंग द एयर कमिंग इन आवर बॉडी थ्रू द आवर nostrils. Observe your brain, how your neurons are firing with each other. Then slightly join your both palms and chant Om 3 times. Let's start. Inhale. Then exhale with Om. Om. Come on. One more time. Inhale. Om. Focus on your breath. Slightly rub your both palms. Rub it slightly warm and then come in the contact of your eyes. Feel the heat. Then come in the front of your face and slightly open your eyes. Look to your palm. Feel the energy that is in your palm that you are observing. Then join the palm. Then slightly raise your both hand. Inhale. Look to the ceiling. Stretch your both arms. Stretch your shoulders. Stretch your thoracic muscles. Look to the ceiling and then exhale down. Your hands, look to your navels. Again, inhale and slightly raise your both hands. Look to the ceiling or sky and focus on your muscles that are getting stretched. Then exhale down, slowly down your both hands and look to the ground or your navels. Come on, again inhale, raise your both hands up, look to the ceiling, focus on your muscles of your hands, hold for some time, come on. And then exhale slowly down your hands, look to the ground. Then slightly touch your right knees with your left hand and right hand will be up. And look to your right hand or ceiling and stretch your latissimus dorsi muscles. Hold, come on, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then slightly come and stretch your both shoulders. Open your rib cage wider and longer. Focus on your breath, and then slightly touch your left knees with right hand, and left hand must be raised up and look to your left hand. Come on, focus. 3, 2, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, and then again open your rib cage wider and longer. Look at to the ceiling. Stretch your back muscles, latissimus dorsi muscles, thoracic muscles, and then with your left hand touch your right knee, and right hand must be up, and look at to your right hand. Focus. Come on. Hold 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come up, and then inhale. Open your rib cage wider and longer as how it is possible for you. Hold your breath, and then exhale, change. Lift your hands. Look at to the ceiling. Come on, hold your breath. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly. And after that, what you have to do? Just try to touch your shoulders and round towards the forward. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And then move your hands towards the backward side. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly relax. And then after that, slowly come up towards this position on Padmasana. And slightly join your both hands towards the forward side and hunch your thoracic muscles. Hunch your back as how it is possible for you, and then stretch your back muscles. Open your rib cage wider and longer. See to the sky. Come up to the cat-cow pose and try to hunch your back. Inhale and hunch your back, hunch your thoracic muscles, and then stretch. Look at to the ceiling. Stretch your back muscles as how it is possible for you. Hold for some time. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then come again. Hunch your back. Try to hunch your back. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come up and stretch your back muscles. Look at to the ceiling. Exhale, and then slowly touch your knees and toes with your ground, and then try to push back your legs. Push back and your legs and hold mountain pose. This is called mountain pose. You must try the pose. Hold for some time. It will stretch your all the hip muscles, leg muscles, body, and align your all the body parts, and then slowly come forward to the plank pose and hold. Try to hold plank. Then down your knees, chest, and then move up, scale up. Come on, stretch up. So cobra pose. Okay, hold cobra pose for some time. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly down. Come on, slowly down your chest, and then slowly come up. And then again, what you have to do? Mountain pose, that is down dog. Come on, stretch your shoulder muscles as how it is possible for you, and your leg muscles, and then come forward to the plank again. Hold plank for some time, then down your knees, down your chest, and stretch up towards the cobra pose. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come up again and rest towards the child pose. Come on, take deep breathe, relax and feel all your body muscles. So thank you so much everybody to join this class. I had teached well and you have practiced well. I know there are some quality issue for this video, but I know you can understand me and definitely you can cooperate with me and continue practicing this class. On the next class we will learn core activation, how our core can get activates, and belly fat also we can lose through that workouts. Bye everyone, namaste.